Locking your card on Xfinity Mobile is a straightforward process that helps protect your account from unauthorized use. Follow these steps to securely lock your card. Step 1. Open the Xfinity Mobile app. Launch the Xfinity Mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Sign into your account. Before changing your settings, use the /com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings section. Look for an option labeled account or settings in the menu. Step 4. Find the card management section. In the account settings, locate the card management or payment methods section. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 5. Lock your card. Select the card you wish to lock and look for the option to lock card. Confirm your choice to ensure the card is locked and cannot be used for transactions. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Xfinity Mobile, enhancing the security of your account. If you need further assistance, consider reaching out to Xfinity customer support.